This is McKinley. She will be playing cat. This is my dad and the cameraman, me. And we will be playing the two little boys. This is my mom, and she'll be playing Sam. And we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I invited a battery burrito.
Oh, okay, Mom, here.
Can you help us find our cat? Can you help us find our little cat?
Boys, have you, two little boys have lost a cat. Okay. My name is Cat! I'm sorry.
Can you help us find our cat? Can you help us find our cat?
I can't see your face.
I'm gonna look inside the trash. Do we actually? She goes inside the garbage. Wow! I found the caddy! Sorry.
Oh, he's right there.
I found the cat!
What's your name's cat?
Okay. Oh no, I lost my gum. She lost her gum. Okay, I go inside the garbage can.
There's a girl there in the garbage can.